So your email is giving you wahala. Don't worry. Come, let me show you 5 quick Gmail tricks that will make your inbox behave. First up, undo send. You know that moment when you send an email and immediately regret it? Like you wrote, Dear Sir, with a double R. No worries. Just go to settings, which is at the top right of your interface. Click on it. See all settings. Go to undo send, and you can give yourself up to 30 seconds to snatch back that email before it escapes. Lifesaver. Next, scheduled send. Don't be that person who sends emails at midnight. Gmail lets you schedule. Just click on the little arrow next to send right here and pick the perfect time, like Monday at 8 a.m. When your boss actually checks mail. Professional and stress free. Trick number 3, filter and labels. This is a powerful one. Go to Gmail settings, see all settings, go to filter and blocked addresses, go to create a new filter. You can fill here, for example, Jumia. Choose the action like skip the inbox, apply the label. So, for example, you can say new label. You can label this as, type in the name of the label, click on create. Click create filter to activate. Boom! Every Jumia promo now goes neatly into the ads without touching your inbox. It's like having Gmail do the cleaning for you. Number 4, confidential mode. Perfect for sending sensitive stuff. Compose your email, and at the bottom, click on the lock and clock icon. You can set an expiry date from 1 day to 5 years. You can also choose to set a password for your message. Now your recipient can't forward, copy, or download it. Basically, the suya that disappears before your cousin can steal it. Privacy on point. And finally, search operators. Instead of scrolling for emails from 3 years ago, just come to the search bar at the top, type in the details of the email that you're looking for, and you can choose whether it has attachments, it's from the last 7 days, or if the email is from you. Gmail instantly finds the exact message, quick and sharp. So there you go. 5 Gmail tricks to save your time and sanity. Undo send, schedule send, filters and labels, confidential mode, and search operators. Try one today and thank me later. Next week, I'll show you how to create a professional email signature. No stress, just tech with Malamar Tech. Thank you.